Hi friends, welcome to my channel Crochet Best. I hope you all my friends are well. I'm also well. Today I will show you in this video beautiful Croatian living room ideas. This ideas is very unique and amazing. I hope you like this video and enjoy this video. In this video I will show you the beautiful Croatian cushion covers, beautiful Croatian sofa blankets, and Croatian mats, wall hang patterns and sceneries and more much. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Please share my videos with your friends and relatives and support my channel and give me the comments how to see in my videos. Thank you friends. Bye, take care. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in Croatian work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing Croatian business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.